All right, y'all, we back for another episode of Chef Jeffrey's Kitchen. Today, we are making anabolic ground beef enchiladas. So why the hell would you make ground beef enchiladas? Everybody knows you gotta make the chicken enchilada. Ground beef enchiladas? That's not authentic, right? Here's the thing though, ground beef, you do it right, if you do it with 96% lean ground beef, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. This recipe is a vibe. It's going to change your life. You're going to be able to make gains. You're going to be able to get your protein in. You're going to be able to get your delicious enchiladas all up in your belly. And it won't break the bank calorie wise. It won't break the bank time wise. And it won't break the bank as far as cutting out your favorite foods when you're trying to lose some weight. Let's get into the details on how this is going to go down. Okay. So, first thing you're gonna need is some ground beef. 96% lean. This is 1 pound of cooked ground beef. This is 1 can of red enchilada sauce. Then you're gonna need some tomatoes, optional, some low carb wraps. These are 80 calorie low carb tortillas. Use 80 calories or less. Some optional jalapeno peppers, 2% Mexican shredded cheese. This is so important. 2% or fat-free. Then you need some fat-free feta. This just adds a little something extra, and we are ready to cook. Throw your ground beef in the bowl. Set that aside for later. You're gonna need a sheet pan. Okay, it doesn't matter how deep it is. And you're gonna take about a half cup of that enchilada sauce and spread it out on that sheet pan. This helps the enchiladas not to stick, and this is crucial. You have to do this part. You have to, or you will be completely banished from the enchilada community. All right. So for this recipe, you're gonna need a 1/4 measuring cup. That's for the cheese, and we're gonna lay out all of our tortillas. You have 8 enchiladas in this recipe, so you're gonna lay out 8 tortillas. Have your flat surface, have them all ready to go. Then you're going to spoon out. This is a 1/3 cup of ground beef into each tortilla, roughly a 1/3 cup. It really doesn't matter. Don't get too complicated with this. Don't overthink it. That is the key. And we're gonna use that whole can of enchilada sauce. So don't worry about that either. Just get like a little bit of enchilada sauce into each enchilada, each tortilla. Make sure they're covered in sauce. Don't use up all your sauce though, because we are going to pour some over the top. Okay, now this is where it gets a little bit more complicated because I wanted to weigh out the right amount of cheese. So what I did was I weighed out 8 servings of Mexican cheese. I believe they were 28 grams each. So it's like 224 grams total or something like that. And I just spread them evenly to each tortilla. Like I said, do not overthink this. I just made sure it was accurate so I could give you guys proper calorie information. So roll each tortilla up. Try not to make a mess. And put them on your sheet tray snugly next to each other. And try not to make a mess, but if you do make a mess, clean up as you go. And as you can see, no toppings are wasted here, so don't worry. I have clean countertops, all right, for you neat freaks out there. So next up, we are going to take the rest of our enchilada sauce and we're going to pour it over the top here. I just poured it into this measuring cup because I wasn't sure how much I was going to use, but I did end up using that entire can. So it's 3 cups of enchilada sauce total. Then I'm taking some sliced jalapenos. This is optional. You don't have to do this. If you don't like it spicy, it's really not that spicy though. It just adds this little pop to it. So you definitely want to do that if you like jalapenos. Then I'm going to take 2 more servings of that 2% cheese. So it was 10 servings total of the 2% cheese, then 1 serving of fat-free feta. All right, that's what it should look like. Boom, glory shot. Now 375 oven for 20 minutes. When it comes out, it's gonna look like this. Taste test. Already ate one of these. I topped it off with some iceberg lettuce, low Greek yogurt for like a sour cream, and then some diced tomatoes. That's what it's looking like. You want a bite? Nom 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 nom. I give this recipe a 9 out of 10. Nobody would ever know this is low calorie, high protein, high fiber. Two of these bad boys is like 60 some grams of protein for, I think they're like 300 calories each. I already put up the macros already. So yeah, you already know, man. Prep these out for your family, your friends. Give them to the kids, give them to the wifey, give them to the husband, whoever. And let me know what you think. Tag me on IG if you do make these. And that's at Jeffrey Packman. Hit me with that like button for this amazing recipe. Don't skimp out on me. Go and do it right now. It takes 2 seconds. It'll help my channel out. It'll help motivate me to be more consistent with these videos. And hit that subscribe button because I got another recipe coming out next week. So look out for that. And that one is going to be a game changer. So look out for that recipe next week. Okay, so this is the portion where I tell you how many calories and the macros for this entire meal. All right, so let's pull it up. Oh, by the way, I'm also gonna show you how to put this into MyFitnessPal as a recipe, so you never have to put in all of these ingredients manually by themselves ever again. You can look in your MyFitnessPal, it'll say anabolic ground beef enchiladas, and boom, you just put 1 serving and you're good to go. Okay, so when you go into MyFitnessPal, you're gonna click on the bottom right hand corner where it says ... more. Then you're gonna go to recipes, create a recipe. For the title, I put anabolic ground beef enchiladas, 8 servings. Then you're gonna add each ingredient that I told you. Okay, so 96.4 ground beef. Make sure you write ground beef cooked. This is very important because it's gonna have different macros. So cooked ground beef, I chose the 3rd one down. And remember, we used 1 pound of cooked ground beef. So it's 16 ounces, all right? So boom, we're gonna put that in. Next ingredient, we have 2% Mexican Kraft. This will give me that Mexican shredded cheese. There you go, 2% Mexican cheese, and 1/4 cup is a serving. And I did 10 servings. So 0.2 cups is a 1/4 cup, by the way. So I'm gonna put in 10 servings, boom, 800 calories, boom. Next ingredient was fat-free feta cheese. There we go. I did a 1/4 cup, just 1 serving. Next ingredient, I did that enchilada sauce. The company I used was Las Palmas. All right, and I used the entire container, so I changed the serving size to on the bottom there. Actually, you know what? I used 3 cups, so I think the container was a different size. But anyways, I used 3 cups, 180 calories, not bad. So kind of a low calorie sauce. I used the Don Pancho Low Carb Wraps, which are 80 calories a piece, or carb control wraps, and I used 8 of those bad boys. Boom. And that is the entire recipe, guys. 5 ingredients, and you are ready to make an anabolic recipe. So for this entire recipe, the macros were 12.8 grams of fat, 34 grams of carbs, and 32 grams of protein in each enchilada. All right, 299 calories a pop, which is pretty dang good for a tasty enchilada, if I do say so myself. Make this recipe, tag me on Instagram at Jeffrey Packman if you make this recipe. And as always, guys, like the video, hit that subscribe button, because we're coming in hot with more of these recipes. I want to know if you guys like these recipes. So if you like these recipes, it's going to motivate me to make more videos like this. So like the video, and I will continue to make these recipes. And leave me a comment down below. What kind of stuff do you want me to make? Low calorie and high protein, kind of like healthify it for you guys. All right, I put in the work, you give me the suggestions. Let's get it. 2021, it's gonna be an amazing year, guys. Hopefully you are excited. I'm excited. Let's get it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.